Carolyn Dube here. Oh, what's the play for today? Well, it has to do with superheroes and trampolines. Well, maybe not exactly trampolines, but it has to do with jumping. Now, what I'm talking about is Creative JumpStart 2020. Yep, it's happening again this year, and I'm honored to be a part of it. Now, Creative JumpStart, if you're not familiar with it, is an online event all through January, where every day you get a new video from a different artist so that you get this wonderful, fun, playful way to kick off 2020. Now, each video is only about 10 minutes or so. That means you can work play and fun no matter how busy your schedule is. So why did I say superheroes and trampolines at the beginning of this video? Well, the trampoline, that has to do with getting that jump start to the year, and technically there isn't going to be a trampoline. You're just going to be jumping your creativity. So think of it as a trampoline for that. But the superhero part, that's because that's the theme for this year's Creative JumpStart. So each one of us artists who have created a video for this have worked around the theme of superpower. And I'm going to be sharing something that came about because of my superpower, which is making mistakes. If you've seen my videos, you know how many of those that I make. Now, I call them outstanding opportunities presenting suddenly. And when they happen, they often take me in places or directions that I didn't intend, but I love where it goes. And you're going to see in my video for Creative JumpStart where I took stencils and had an oops with them, and then where that led me to using some different supplies with them. But it's all waiting for you starting in January. I'm just one of the 31 artists that you will get a video from in the month of January as a part of Creative JumpStart. Now, this is all put together by Nat Kalbach. She's the mastermind, the one that organizes it and gets you your video each and every day all throughout January. Now, who are the other teachers? Well, use the link down below and you can check us all out. All of the videos included in Creative JumpStart are downloadable. So that means you can watch them online and offline, and because you can download them onto your computer, you'll have them forever. Now, what about other stuff? There are lots of other goodies, lots of other things. There's a community, there's a place to share, all that kind of stuff is there, of course. And you can find all of the details at the link down below. Creative JumpStart is a buffet of styles and teachers, 31 for you to sample and enjoy throughout all of January. And what's it going to cost to be a part of this, to join in on the fun? Well, it's $60 at regular price. So that means on January 1st, 2020, it's going to be $60. But if you jump in before then, you can save some money and get the early bird price. If you jump in on December 2nd, it's $40. If you jump in on the 3rd to the 6th, it is $45. And from December 7th to the 31st, it is $50. And these are all in Eastern time zone and that kind of stuff. All the details for that are at the link down below. But just bottom line is, the sooner you jump in, the better the price you get. So come and join us and kick off 2020 with some creativity, with a new video from each one of the artists throughout all of January. Remember, the sooner you join, the more money you save. You can find all the details at the link down below. Looking forward to seeing you in Creative JumpStart.